A child has more rights if the father of the child and the mother of the child contracted a statutory marriage, what you call court marriage. So that means that if that man also have children outside that marriage, the child whose mother has a court marriage with the man has more rights than the children outside. That is what this young lady is saying, and that is the position that so many people believe, but that is not the position of the law. According to our laws, there is nothing like legitimate child or illegitimate child. According to our law, there is nothing like, oh, this child was born out of wedlock. A child is a child, and a child has equal rights to his father's property, except if the man did not acknowledge that child as his child when the man was alive. Now, what do I mean? If, for instance, a man was alive and he was not aware he has a child with you, when the man dies, you now came and remember that, yes, 32 years ago, he slept with me, and you bring a child that is not known to the family, not known to the current wife, not known to anybody, only you and your people, they are the only ones aware that that man impregnated you. What the law is saying is that as long as that man did not acknowledge that child cannot partake, with anything that has to do with the man's property. But once the man acknowledged the child, maybe by paying school fees, making provisions for the mother, any form of acknowledgement that he gives to that child, automatically that child will be entitled to everything, that has to do with his father. And if by adventure the man even writes a will and nothing is given to the man, the will can be challenged. Why? Because some people's will are manipulated. So a will can be challenged if, the child can prove any of the grounds, to challenge a will. Now, take note of section 42 of the 1999 Constitution, which talks about the right of freedom from discrimination. So there is nothing like legitimate child or illegitimate child. It is strange to our Constitution. Once a child is born, that child is legitimate. Bride price payment or no bride price payment, marriage or no marriage, divorce or no divorce, separation or no separation. Once a child is born to a man, that child is a legitimate child of that man. Did you gain value from this video? Share it in the comment section. I want to hear from you. Share your thoughts also. Share this video to your friends. Thank you.